Hello guys, welcome to Every Crypto. My name is Arthur. You already know what we do on this channel. Always find ways to make money with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and everything related to cryptocurrency. But in this video, I'll show you how exactly we're going to use CoinEx crypto exchange. And I've been using this crypto exchange because fees are lower and it's user-friendly platform. So it doesn't really matter whether you are advanced crypto trader or a beginner. But by the end of this video, you're gonna know how exactly we're going to make money with CoinEx crypto exchange because it's really simple to use. And this is the reason why I'm recommending you guys to trade on CoinEx, especially when it comes to futures trading. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. And guys, there's Bitcoin having special bonus that is taking place right now. So if you sign right now, you're gonna be able to win a share of 15,000 US dollars in pure USD straight to your main account. So for you to participate in this bonus, it's really simple. All you have to do is to apply to join and then make a trade, and you're gonna be able to get some of those rewards. But anyway, let's get right into it. So you already know that you're gonna have to sign up on this crypto exchange, so I'm just gonna take you through it. You're gonna have to click this button where it's written sign up, and it's gonna take you to this page, and right here you're gonna have to put your email. So let's say you are John, you're gonna type john@gmail.com, something like that, and then right here you're gonna have to put the password. All right, so once you sign up, you're gonna see a dashboard that look like this. I mean, this is really simple dashboard, and it's a user-friendly dashboard, as you can see. So all these coins that you are looking at right here, these are best performing crypto assets on CoinEx. But you can also scroll down and take a look at market trend. So these are coins that are trending as I'm recording this video. So you already know with this kind of strategies, you have got spot trading and futures trading. With spot trading, you're pretty much buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You already know how we do it. We buy low and sell high, and that's how we make profit. And with futures trading is pretty much a derivatives contract that allows you to make money according to the price of cryptocurrency. So let's say you're trading Bitcoin and you predict that the price is going to go up, and that's how exactly you're going to make money as the price of Bitcoin going up. So as you can see, I only have like 474 US dollars on my wallet, and you know, I'll try to improve and make sure that I'm making cash every day by using leverage trading. So let's say you want to take a futures position. All you have to do is to click this button where it's written futures and click where it's written markets, and right here is gonna allow us to pretty much choose any coin that you want to take advantage of. So let's say you want to take advantage of Ethereum, you can simply click right here and it's gonna take you to Ethereum Pay. But in this video, I want to take advantage of Bitcoin Pay. That's why I clicked the Bitcoin, and this is Bitcoin Pay. So right here we have got a chart provided by TradingView. As you can see, it's a really simple chart from TradingView, and you have got all the tools and everything that you need right here. And this is the order book. As you can see, a lot of people are trading and put trades on order book. So these are all sellers or people that are willing to sell, and these are all buyers or people that are willing to buy. Okay, so right here we have got the latest execution and stuff like that. You can see pretty much all the trades that are taking place on CoinEx, and right here we have got the buying tab and selling tab. All right, or in short, you can just say long or short. So let's say if you want to take a long position, or if you want to make money when the price of Bitcoin is going up, all you have to do is to click this button where it's written buy. Or if you want to make money when the price of Bitcoin is going down, all you have to do is to click this button where it's written sell. And right here we've got the market and limit order. Don't worry, make sure you watch the whole video to the very end, because I'm going to explain to you the difference between market order and the limit order, and I'll show you how exactly you're going to make money with CoinEx by simply taking advantage of this futures trading. So right now, let's say you want to take a long position, and we're going to be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up. As you can see, we have got a green candle right here and stuff like that, and the link to CoinEx is going to be in the description below as well. All you have to do is to either swipe this button to the left side or put your own amount right here. So as you can see, I've got approximately 474 US dollars on my wallet, and I'm willing to spend 200 to open this position. So I'll put 200 right here, and this is a 20x leverage position, meaning that this 200 is going to be multiplied by 20 and it's going to give me a value of 4,000, right? And that's how leverage is all about. So I'm exposed to volatility. That's why I'll be able to make money in small percentages and stuff like that. So right now I want to enter at the price of 51,650, okay, because the current price is 51,652. So I want to enter at 51,650 right there. So I'll place an order in an order book, right? But let's say if you want to enter in a position immediately, you're gonna have to take advantage of this tab where it's written market, okay? So you notice that the limit tab has gone away because this is the market order. With the market order, you enter a position immediately, so you don't have to wait and everything, right? But with the limit order, you put your own price and you wait for the price of Bitcoin or any coin to hit your entry. So right now I'm just gonna take a market order because I don't want to wait and stuff like that. And let's enter a position. We're only spending 200 and you're gonna click long. So right here is going to show you pretty much all the details about this position. So right here it says BTC because this is a Bitcoin pair, and this is an isolated position and is multiplied by 20x or is 20x leverage, and the order type is market order because I don't want to wait and stuff like that. And we're just gonna enter at the best price, and you can see the amount that I'm spending. I'm only spending 200 USDT. Okay, so I'm just gonna enter a position. But guys, you have to pay attention to the liquidation price. As you can see, it says my liquidation price right here is 49,284. So if the price of Bitcoin drops and hit 49,284, I will lose this 200 US dollars. Okay, this is on the risk that I'm taking right now in this position. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click confirm, and boom, as you can see right now I've got open position on CoinEx. So this amount that I've spent right here, and this is my entry. I entered at the price of 51,633 US dollars, and this is the mark price right now. So you can see that this position is in red because the price of Bitcoin is above is below my entry price. So this is my liquidation price. If the price of Bitcoin hits 49,288, I'll lose 200 US dollars, right? And it says I've taken 10% risk right here. So this is exactly how you can take a position on CoinEx. But let's say right now you want to take a sell position, meaning that you'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going down. Same thing applies right here, but right now we're gonna try using a limit order, right? So we're just gonna click limit order right there, and right here we're gonna have to put the amount that we're willing to spend. Again, same thing applies right here, and we want to enter at the price of 51,603 right there, and we're gonna click short. So we have placed our order in an order book. As you can see, is waiting to be filled. So if the price of Bitcoin hits 51,602, this order is gonna get executed, and we're gonna have a short position right here. So this is how exactly you guys can make money with leverage. I mean, it's really simple if the price goes on your favor, and that's how exactly you're gonna make money. And plus on top of that, there's a bonus promotion going on. We already know that by taking these trades, you are also participating on this bonus, right? So there's a share of 15,000 US dollars right now as I'm recording this video. So make sure you click the link in the description below for you guys to participate in this bonus, special bonus, right? So we have like 8 days left for this promotion to expire. So we still have like approximately 8 days for us to take advantage of this promotion. But this is a share of 15,000 US dollars. Is gonna go straight to your wallet once you do the right thing by signing up and make a deposit and take some trades. That's all you have to do. So this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to show you how exactly you can make money simply by trading futures trading on CoinEx, and I'll leave the link to CoinEx in the description below as well. So make sure you sign up using my link. I gave you a deal. And if you want to join my Telegram group, the link is going to be in the description below, as well as my WhatsApp channel. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys.